What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing team randoms for the second break. We're going to go live at 5:27. It's 5:27 here in Denver. We're going to do the teams 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And I actually got that mixed around. So just so you know, I'm not switching it. We got Philly on top, Colorado on the bottom. Usually do the names first just because it's easier to line up. So we got everybody's names copy and pasted 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. We got Jerry on top. Oh, I need a new one. Forgot to get a new one. So Jerry on top, Jeff on the bottom, and then we have Philly on top and Colorado on the bottom. So Jerry, you got Philly, and then I'm just going to scroll real quick. And I'll post the teams in chat.